Okay, here we have a histogram, and remember the most important thing about histograms is it's the area of each rectangle which tells you the frequency. Now they're giving us a key here, and that key is going to help us to find the frequency density scale. So if we look at this little square that they've given us, we know that across the bottom there is actually 2, and the area is 20, so the height there must actually be 10. So if you've got one square, or five little squares, so 1 centimetre, the height of that will be 10. So I can use that to put my vertical scale on. So 10 will be there, 20 will be there, another 5 squares will be 30, another 5 squares will be 40. So my frequency density goes 10, 20, 30, 40. So the question says, give us an estimate for the number of trees in that interval from 4.5 to 10. So in other words, we need to work out from 4.5, well there's 5 which is there, 4.5 is halfway between, so we need to work out this area here and plus this area here. So if we look first of all at this area, I can see that across the bottom of that rectangle obviously goes from 4.5 to 6, so that's 1.5. The height of it, if I look at the scale here, it goes up 16. Okay, and the other bigger rectangle, the width of it, well that's from 6 to 10, which is 4, and the height of it is 34. So the area of each of those, so the first one, the area of this one, well that's 16 times 1.5, and 16 times 1.5 is 24. The area of this one, 4 times 34, well that's going to be 136. So the total area of the two together, 136 plus 24, is 160. Okay, to do the last bit here, I'm going to use the fact that I know that frequency density is the same as the frequency divided by the class width. Okay, so frequency divided by class width. So let's have a look at this last rectangle that we have to draw. The frequency density is what we don't know, but we do know the frequency, that's the 75 trees, and we do know the class width, 10 to 13, which is 3. So the frequency density, 75 divided by 3, is going to be 25. So if I look at that last group, from 10 to 13, the frequency density is going to be 25, or 10 to 13 is here. Let's just do it with proper lines. And what did I say it was? 25. So 25 is halfway between 20 and 30, so that's going to be there. So from 10 to 13, it's going to be across like that, and then down at 13, which is there. It's not quite, but there you get the idea.